there's nothing to do in Bangalore except eating out and drinking. So, I'm on a mission to find things to do in Bangalore beyond the food. Today's episode 1 and we are at Willy's Pet Paradise. Away from the chaos of Bengaluru, there's a pet park where you can spend quality time with your furry friends. Think of it like a hostel but for dogs, where you can come to give them all the love and belly rubs. The entry fee is 200 per person, which can be redeemed at this cafe inside the park. It's the perfect spot for a first date or for when you're craving some warm furry hugs. Check the caption for the location and send this to someone who thinks